It turns out that egg cartons has the perfect design inside for creating the nose of a mouse. Today I'll show you how you can create a fun little mouse figure using very few materials, with or without your toddler. Okay, so what you need to scrap together are a piece of cardboard, an egg carton, a pair of scissors, glue, I use liquid glue here, and pens. You can use color pencils or Posca pens, acrylic pens, glitter glue, whatever you feel like to decorate your mouse with. Okay, we want to start out with our cardboard because we need something to mount the nose onto. So we grab our scissor, and depending on the thickness of your carton, you might want to use a larger scissor as I use here. There we go. We have our piece. It's sort of like a rectangular shape, and just trim those edges maybe. And optional, just round the corners if you wanna. This is just a matter of temper really. I don't know why, when I first saw this design, I saw these round edges, so you might also wanna round the edges. It's kind of fun, just rounding those edges. And then the star of our little project. You can tell how the design of these egg cartons just has the perfect design for a mouse nose here. So whoever designed this, thank you very much. So you simply want to cut out one of the tops from the inside, which will be our little nose, or in fact quite large nose. And it could be fun to see your designs out there, because there are of course many different egg cartons. Bear in mind, you want to have this thing sticking out here at the bottom, you want to have that at the bottom. Sort of looks more nice. You mount then the nose here using the liquid glue around the edge. I think the liquid glue makes things stick better. And then we cut out a pair of ears and also mount those onto our board. A really great thing about making these mice here is also that it really stimulates all facets of a child's motor skills, as you both have to cut with the scissor, you have to glue, and you have to draw. I mean, I draw a lot of with our kids, but by using scissors also and glue, you really get other parts of your hands going, which I think is really a really nice way of doing those things, apart from it being a really fun project. There we go, I have my ears. And then the part that we have all been waiting for, decorating. When our mouse will really start to pop out of this cardboard here. And I think that I'll start with the eyes here. I think I'll make them sort of round, like this. And just make it like a pupil inside. I'll make a large one, I think. Big eyes. Can of course use any color you want to. Just like to use this big black marker here to, create my eye. Maybe I'll also add some eyelashes to it. Let's see. Of course, the mouse also needs a couple of whiskers. Right, and then I think my mouse here is going to be on roller skates, so one arm can go down here. Maybe a t-shirt. And then the other arm will go up in a gesture. Maybe it's just saying hello while it passes by on roller skates really fast. Yes, like that. And where should the leg go? No wait, let's just start with the arm waving like so. Add a pair of roller skates. And coloring in. The blouse here will be kind of turquoise. And then a pink star on top of it. You have so many options here to color in just the way you wanna. I've also made a couple, or like one mouse where I painted it all over with a brown Posca pen. So it's completely up to you how I want to decorate it. The inside of the ears will have a pink color pencil here. And voila! So there are many places your mouse can stay. Maybe hang on the wall using tape. It's also quite cute on your bookshelf. Or in fact, anywhere else in the house really, as long as there's a flat resting spot for the mouse. Bear in mind, if you introduce this activity to your toddler, you might want to stock up on plenty of egg cartons and carton too, because this in our home is really successful. Finally, a huge shout out to the institution called Røde Rose, who introduced me to these fantastic, easy to make and really fun mice. Thanks for watching, and have fun drawing and cutting and gluing.